Hello and welcome to your numeracy lesson. So we're going to continue with our lessons, counting to 5 and recognising the numbers 1 to 5. So let's start off first of all, just counting together up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let me show you what those numbers look like and count again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this time my finger is going to stop at a number, and when it stops I want you to call that number out for me. Okay, so who recognises this number? If we're not sure, we could perhaps count up 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number is 4. Let's see when my finger will stop next time. Okay, it's stopping at this number. Who recognises this number? It's the first number, so it's number 1. Well done. Let's try again, see where the finger ends up this time. Oh, who recognises this number? This is number. You could say it out loud. Let's count together just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Okay, now we're going to try counting some actual objects. So here on this card, I've got how many objects? I've got a red cube and a blue cube. So here I've made a tower with those cubes, and we're now going to count together. So we've got 1, 2. And can we remember what the number 2 looks like? Okay, so let's have a look along here and which is the number 2. So here's my number 2. So here I have 2 cubes, and this is the number 2. Let's try another one together. Okay, this time I've got a green bowl, and how many cubes have I got? I've got lots of different colours on this cubes, on this page. What colour is this? That's a red cube. I then need a yellow cube, then a brown cube, then a green cube, and then a white cube. So I've got that as my tower. So let's have a look. So here's my tall tower. Can we count all those together? Starting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've got 5 cubes. Can you remember what the number 5 looks like? Oh, let's put it the right way. So let's have a look. Which one is number 5? So this is number 5 right here. I'm going to take that off. So here I've got my picture with some cubes. We made that tower and we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. This is what the number 5 looks like. Well done, everyone. Let's see if we can do another one. What have I got here? So here I've got another picture and I've got some other cubes. What colours have I got this time? So I need a black cube, then a green cube, and then a red cube. So here's my black, here's my green, and here is my red cube. And can we count all of those together? So 1, 2, 3. I've got 3 cubes. Right, let's go back and look at our numbers so we can recognise what the number 3 looks like. Okay, we're moving along. And this is what number 3 looks like. So we started off with some cubes. We then made those cubes And then we then identified the number 3 to go with our 3 cubes. Okay, here's our next one. Okay, can you see all the colours we've got there? So I need a black cube first. Then what's this colour here? It's a white cube. I'm going to put that onto my tower as well. Here's another cube. That's a yellow cube. I'm going to put that on my tower. And then the last colour is brown. Okay, so I've got my tower. Okay, let's count the tower together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bricks in my tower. Let's see if you can identify out of the numbers I've got left. What is the number 4? And this is what number 4 looks like. So we started off with some cubes. We made that tower of cubes. And we now know that that is what 4 looks like. Well done. Now we've only got the last card to do. Wonder if anyone can remember what number is still left on my number card. Let's see if you're correct. So here's the last card. Oh look, it's only 1. What colour is that 1? So this time I've got a red cube. I've only got 1 red cube. Can you see the number that represents 1? There it is, isn't it? So we had 1 red cube, and this is what 1 looks like. Let's just finish off by counting to 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done, everybody. And in your work folders today, there is a sheet for you to do some counting and put in the correct amount of objects with that number. So I'd love to see your work when it's finished. I look forward to seeing it. And have a lovely day. Bye for now.